Welcome back to this video, guys. This time around we'll talk about user profile. The user profile can be set in WordPress. So we go to the users menu to see what it's all about. So we have different aspects of the users menu. You get to see people managing your website, either the administrator or subscribers. You get to do all those things here. And what we're going to do now is we're going to talk about the user profile right now. So we are going to go to the user profile to talk about the user profile first. And in the user profile, we are going to be able to set some personal options like the admin color scheme. You can change your color scheme to like something like this, to the modern one, and it's going to change. Notice this part. If you change it to blue, it's going to change it right here. As you can see, it's changing the theme of your admin panel right here, and this is ectoplasm. So let's change to ectoplasm. I like ectoplasm like this, so I'll use the admin color scheme as this. And your visual editor says disable the visual editor when writing. We are going to do it that way because we don't need to disable the visual editor when writing. Disable syntax highlighting when editing code. You can check this or uncheck this and see what it's all about. And there's a keyboard shortcuts, like enable keyboard shortcuts for comments moderation. You can read the documentation on keyboard shortcuts, so I'm not going to do that. You are going to read it yourself. That's your own take on your assignments. That's what you do yourself. So you read this and you will know if to check it or uncheck. And the toolbar, show toolbars. When you are viewing the website as the admin, your toolbar will be shown. So this is it right here. This is the toolbar shown right here. So you can disable it. You can choose to disable it or check it. So I'll check it. I'll leave it at check. And you can use a default language for your website. If you are a United States citizen and you want to use the United States English, you can use it as your default site settings. And if you are in the UK as well, you can do that as well. So I'll be using English for the UK as my language. And your username is beloved love the web. That's my username right here. So we're going to leave the username because it cannot be changed, as you can see. And you can insert your first name, beloved. So I'll just insert my first name and do some of these basic settings. So I'll insert first name and my last name, Adejigbe. And your nickname is beloved love the web. This one can be changed if you want to change it. So I'll just change this one to Blood Ashes. That's my nickname right here. And display public name as, you can display it as your full name. You can display it as whatever you want to display it as. You can see you have series of name here, from your nickname to your username to your name, and you can use any of those names as a display name. And your contact info can be any of your email that is accessible. So I'm using the adejigbebeloved@gmail.com. This is our website right here. And you can simply write about yourself, like a biographical info about yourself. So let me just put that and put something like this. So that's the biographical info about myself. And you can change your profile picture instead of this graph attack. You can easily change your profile picture right here. And you can set a new password for this account. So if you want to access this WordPress dashboard, you can set a new password for yourself, and you can log out everywhere else. Maybe your website is at risk or your blog is at risk. You can use this one to secure your website. You can set a new password, log out everywhere, and set a new password. And this place just gives you the security aspect of your website against hackers and users. So you get to see people that are using the website with you, and you get to give them rules and privileges. And the application password allows authentication by, you can do all these things and check it out. So I'm going to update my profile. Once I update my profile, I've done my profile setting, and that's all about profile setting. I hope you're enjoying this course so far, and I would love you to leave a comment, a feedback about the course, because it keeps me going. And I hope to see you in the next session of the video. See you there.